guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I'd do a haul, a collective haul that I've had from various different stores, and I thought I'd kind of just show you guys what kind of things that I've gotten, what I love. I come here often, so I have some things that I always get that I love, and most of the stuff I'm going to show you are actually for my friend back home since it's her birthday this summer. So let's just dive right in. So the first thing I got her, you can't see this since it's like packed really nicely, but it's just a Starbucks mug. She worked at Starbucks for some time, so I just thought I'd get her a mug that says Kyoto on it. So the next thing I got is this adorable, it's like a cosmetic bag or be like an anything bag, but I think it's so cute. I like the complements of color of the blue in that, like it's like a salmon peach color. This is actually for myself. It's the eye ring, but it comes with the mount for the car, and I have been looking for this, and I can get it in the US, but it's a lot more expensive. This is about $18-ish, so I thought it'd be perfect for me to try out. Next I got, this is so interesting, it's facial masks, but they're compressed, like hello, I need. And so, well, this is actually a gift, not for me, but I'm sure I'll probably still steal some from her. But this I thought would be really interesting to try out, and my friend Anahi, which I have actually done a video with. そして、ふわふわで、we always do masks together, so I thought this would be fun to try out. Now, the few things that I also got for her were like pencils, pens. I love Japanese writing utensils. I don't use anything from the US in terms of writing utensils. I just have a problem and obsession with Japanese ones. So these are friction pens. They are actually popular in the US after they launched in Japan. I love these. They're basically erasable pens, but 10 times better. The eraser is made out of like rubber, and it doesn't smear, and it's just, you need to get yourself some. You can get them in the US, but get the ones that are made in Japan. Like, those are the best ones. And then the other two things that I got her are mechanical pencils. This one I love because the lead comes out by you shaking it. And then this one I love because one, it's Mono brand, which is probably one of my favorite ones. And then also the eraser is a twist. It's like a long eraser, and then you just keep twisting and like the eraser comes out. Those are my favorite. Now this one's actually for myself. About a year ago I redid my room, and I can link that video down below. But I love DIYing things, and I love anything like Paris as well, and so I got this adorable little Eiffel Tower, and it says Paris on the side, and I'm actually going to DIY this and spray paint this rose gold and put it somewhere in my room. Oh, these next two things that I also got her are, this is just a cute, like, not really gag gift, but it's also somewhat purposeful. It's just an adorable macaroon keychain. She likes green, and we love macaroons. I tried my first macaroon with her, actually, with that same friend. I also just got her, these are erasers, like they're just simple erasers, but these are kind of funny and really interesting because they're like scented, like mint scented, which you can't really find that in the US. So I thought this was perfect for her, and I'm excited for her to try it. Oh, the last thing I got her is this adorable mug with a spoon attached. I think it's so adorable. I actually got her one a while back that I gave to her before I went for Japan, left for Japan, and she loved it and thought it was so funny and like an interesting concept. And so I was like, I have to get her another one so her roommate and her aren't gonna fight over it, also because they're really cute, like you can't resist. So that's actually all I have for this kind of collective haul that I've had. Majority of the stuff is for one friend, but I thought it was still fun to be able to show you guys. And actually, ironically, a lot of this stuff is actually purchased from 100 yen shop, so basically a dollar store, but it's one of like a worldwide dollar store called Daiso. They carry really good products for really cheap. Japan is just kind of known for their high quality things, and they can be a little bit more expensive, but Daiso is one of the places that are cheap, but still product wise and quality wise is amazing, and highly recommend and love. I know they have them in the US. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys are enjoying this series so far. I'm loving being able to film this and kind of be able to document my adventure while I'm here. I come here often, but I haven't been able to ever document it, and it's fun to be able to do it. And so hope you guys are enjoying the series, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Matane!